Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox client not loading easy and quick. First open task manager and then if you find here Roblox, just right click on it and end task, and then click on memory to see applications that is using your memory, and close all the applications that you don't need like Google Chrome. Right click and end task, and then Steam, and that's it. Just make sure to clear your memory and make sure Roblox got enough memory, and that's it. After that, just close it and right click on Roblox, run it as an administrator, and after that your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then click here and go to apps and features, and now type Roblox, click on it and uninstall it. Now after that, go to command prompt and then type here cd app data slash local, and then type this command. After that, click enter. Now type Y and click enter, and then Roblox will be completely removed from your PC. Then just install it again. I hope that can help you. See you in the next video.